Okay, so once you have it apart, or you have the spring off, if you're lucky, as I am with this one, this spring cup comes off pretty easily. If it doesn't, you have to take a chisel at the base and slightly tap on it to get the spring seat to come off. This one, see here, so we can get the reflection there. Doesn't look too bad, but just for comparison, I've replaced this more than once. See if we can get light in there. There you go. You can see how scored this is. I'm frankly amazed my secondary sheave was working. It was in bad shape, and I'll go into more detail. But so here's your secondary. It should move smooth in and out. It's held together by these pins. Let me pull these out. Find my tools. Come on. Here we go. They were here somewhere. Let's pull these pins out. There's 4 of them. Get out of there. Okay. And then these two halves will come apart. And this is basically the same procedure as on the other Rhino, Viking, Wolverine sheaves. So there you have your two halves apart now.